All right, so in this video, I want to talk about calculating odds. Now, odds are closely related to probability, but they're not calculated the same way, and students often confuse the two. Typically, when I assign assignments that have probability and odds, students will do them all as probability problems. That's the most common mistake I get here. The odds of an event occurring is the ratio of the number of ways an event can occur, or successes, to the number of ways it cannot occur, failures. Remember, probability was the number of favorable outcomes to the total. Here, you're not doing favorable to total, you're doing favorable to unfavorable, if you think about it like that. So here's an example. Find the odds of rolling a 3 or an even number. I did this in my probability video, and we found out that there are 4 ways that you can roll a 3 or an even number: a 2, a 4, or a 6, and then a 3. So there's 4 ways that it can occur to 2 ways that it does not occur. Remember, the probability was 4 over 6. So 4 to 2, you would read that 4 to 2, or you'd literally write it out 4TO2, and that's the odds. All right. You can reduce odds like you would reduce a fraction. So it'd be 2 to 1, but you don't write odds as a fraction. So the answer would be, in simplest form, would be 2 to 1. Okay. Now, what's the odds of rolling at least a 2? Well, at least a 2 would be including 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 5 ways that you could roll at least a 2, 5 ways that could come out, to just 1 other way. All right, remember, odds is favorable to unfavorable, what you want to happen to the number of ways that it won't happen. All right, so 5 to 1 or 5TO1. Notice that when you write the odds, the sum of the 2 numbers will add up to the total number of ways that it could possibly occur. So if you're rolling a 6-sided die, there's 6 sides. If you're rolling a 6-sided die again here, there's 6 possible outcomes. Okay, but just remember that odds, you're comparing favorable to unfavorable, but in probability, you're comparing favorable to the total. All right. All right, guys, that's it for odds. Hope that was helpful to you. Take care.